Okay, so Harry, what jelly wanna order McDonald's? Yeah, fast food is my thing. Okay, Jerry, McDonald's is right in that spaceship. So go in the spaceship. No, Harry, I think we should just take the drive-through. Okay. Let's see. Hello. We would like to order one Big Mac. I mean, I mean 2 Big Macs and a large fries and a McSlurpee. Okay. Yeah, and also I want a toy on the side, 'cause toys. He's got dinner for 2. That's why I have 4 hands. Here's your food. It's a wooden pickaxe. Wait. Okay. How are you? What the heck does this do? I have no idea. Joe. Oh. Goodness. Okay, I'm out. But here. We fell. Come on, Jerry.